Good morning, dear students. Today we have to learn about the very first chapter in history, that is Advent of Europeans to India. Before we have to understand this lesson, first of all we have to know what is the meaning of this word Advent. Advent means traveling, always. The purpose of always or traveling of Europeans to India. Who are considered as Europeans? Do you know about that? Who are considered as Europeans? Here, Europeans, Portuguese, Dutch, English or Britishers, then finally French. These people are considered as Europeans. For what purpose these Europeans people always to India? There is a reason. That reason is for the purpose of business. Which business they wanted to always with India? Spices business. Yes, before that we have to understand which is the native place of these Europeans. Here, Portuguese from Portugal and Dutch is from Holland. Holland has one more name, that is Netherlands. Holland or Netherlands from Dutch is from Holland or Netherlands. Then these people, English or Britishers, came from England. England or London. Then finally, French people came from France. Yes, these are the native places of these European people. These people for coming to India for the purpose of spices business, because of during the 14th century Indian spices were very demanded in a European continent. That purpose these Europeans always to India. Which are the famous or demanded spices sold by Indian people or Indian market? Here the important Indian spices are first one, pepper. Second one, cardamom. Third one, ginger. These are the very demanded spices of the Indians. These spices having a great demand in the European continent. Then how they are connecting these spices from India to Europe. There is a one route is there, that is beside the Asian continent. The place name is Constantinople. Constantinople is considered as the gateway of European trade. Just you have to remember this point again. Which is considered as the gateway of European trade? Constantinople. Constantinople It is the center point, or it's the main business center of European trade of Indian spices. So this city or this place is considered as the gateway of European trade. For what purpose? Constantinople is considered as the great gateway of European trade. Have you understand? Do you understand about that? The next point is that in the year 1453, there was an incident happened in that place. That is, the Ottoman Turks captured this Constantinople in the year 1453. There was a great reason. The major reason captured this Constantinople, that is, the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople in the year 1453 because they wanted to monopoly all the trade routes. Monopoly means what? Do you know about that? Monopoly. Here, mono means single, poly means ownership. Monopoly means single ownership, entire all trade sea routes. This is the major point or information you have to understand from here. The major reason, or one more word is there for reason, that is causes for the fall of Constantinople. The great city Constantinople fallen there. For what reason? That it demanded Indian spicy city. It is the gateway of European trade. During the time of 1453, it was totally fallen or destroyed. For what reason? There is a reason. That reason is the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople in the year 1453 because they wanted to monopoly all the trade routes. We already understand about that. What is the meaning of monopoly? Monopoly means, mono means single, poly means ownership. Single ownership. That means all trade routes only controlled by the Ottoman Turks in the year 1453. That's why the demanded city, the great city, the gateway of European trade totally destroyed. The next, what are the effects after the fallen of this great city? The first effect is that the Ottoman Turks gained a monopoly of all the trade routes. The very first effect is the Ottoman Turks gained a monopoly of all the trade routes. The second one, they started levying too many taxes on the goods. How much they put the tax, that much tax on goods they are payable. That is the second one. The third one is that trade became unprofitable. Trade became unprofitable. The next and the fourth one is European and Italian traders encouraging new sea route to India for the purpose of buying this Indian spices. So these are the major four effects of the fall of Constantinople. Then the next point is that what are the great equipments used by Europeans and Italians for the purpose of searching or discovering new sea route to India? They were used only three equipments. The first one is compass, second one is astrobels, third one is gunpowder. Which are the things they used there? They used three things for the purpose of discovering or inventioning three routes, three equipments. The first one compass, second one astrobels, third one gunpowder. These are the major equipments used by Italian traders and also European traders. Finally, Portuguese would succeed in this action. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama invented or discovered a new sea route to India in the year of 1498. He reached the first time Calicut of Kerala. This is the information we have to understand from this small topic. Thank you.